Okay, so the next pose we're going to go into is called the TT, the trapeze twist. Right, so come around your mat and just hop onto your trapeze. Extend your legs out in front of you and do your shimmy. Okay, so you want to find your happy space, a nice comfy seat that's not too big. In fact, for this one, you can actually make your seat even smaller than you normally would if you were going into any sort of back pose, okay? And then just lift up through your spine, lift up through your body, sit up nice and tall. And locate your short handles, these ones here. Okay, you're gonna cross over, so right to left, left to right. And then because I want to travel, I want to twist in this direction. So I want to go to my left, I have to pull with my left hand on the right handle. So I want to twist to the left, I have to pull and bring my head through and turn my body. Now, this is such an amazing feeling and a really amazing twist, and let me tell you why. Because when you're sitting on the ground, you don't get to have this total movement in your tail. You just don't get that. You're only moving your upper body to rotate on the axis. But with this, you're pushing this arm into this side of the trapeze, you're turning and you're pulling, and at the same time, your legs are moving in the opposite direction, so you're getting an amazing twist through the whole spine. Okay, so you can stay there for as long as you like. Obviously, I imagine it'll probably be a while because this feels so good. And then when you're ready to change sides, you just come out. And now you want to change your cross. Okay? And just shimmy back in your seat. And now again, we want to move to the right. So we're going to pull with the right on the left handle, draw our head through and behind. Now I am pulling on my right, but I'm sort of pushing on my left to help myself get into that twist. Can you see? Okay, so it's not as exaggerated, I'm just doing that so you can see. So I'm pulling on my right, and then I just want to shuffle my body even more. And then when you're ready, you just slowly come out and step out, and you're done. Good work.